Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you a rose gold glitter makeup tutorial. So I've already done my foundation, concealer, brows, all that stuff. So we're going to go straight into the eyeshadow. The first eyeshadow is called Creamsicle. It is a orange color that will be used as our transition shade. And it's going to go right above our crease line. And make sure to blend upwards with a fluffy brush. And don't worry about it being too light right now. We're definitely going to add some more later on as we add the other colors as well. So the next color is called Hunt, I believe, and it's a little bit darker red color, and it's going to go right on our crease line just under our transition color. And don't forget to use a fluffy brush to blend those two colors out so we can get rid of those harsh lines. So right now I'm just using a bigger fluffy brush just to blend those two colors in. So I'm just adding more of that creamsicle color, which is the orange shade right on top, just to make it more pigmented. So the next color, I will be using a flat eyeshadow brush, and that's gonna go onto our outer corner and on our crease line. I believe it's called Jax. It's a little bit darker auburn color, and we're just gonna blend that right on our crease line and the outer corner of our eyelid. As you can see, I just used the flat eyeshadow brush to pack that color in, and then I switched to the fluffy brush to blend that color. And then I'm just adding a little bit more of the Hunt's color, which is the second color that we added, just to even out everything that I have put on my face so far. And then I'm just going to use the fluffy brush to blend all of those colors in, but mostly focusing on my crease line. And then I'm just adding more of the orange color. So next I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. I will be doing a half cut crease today. So my cut crease for my eye shape is just gonna go up towards where my crease line is. And then as you can see, I'm not drawing a straight line down, so that it'll be easier for me when I'm trying to blend the darker auburn color later on to make a gradient effect, so it doesn't look too harsh. So next I am just blending in the last color we added towards the concealer, just so that it doesn't look too straight and that there's a fade effect to it. So next I'm using the NYX glitter glue. So I'm just applying that on top where I put the concealer. So the next step is to add on the rose gold glitter, although it does look a little bit more pink, but they advertise it as rose gold, so I'm calling it rose gold. So I'm putting that right on top of the glitter glue, just making sure to cover all the spots and areas so that there's no concealer that's showing through. And I'm trying really hard not to get it everywhere on my face, because this is my first time adding that, but I'm pretty sure I failed on it. Just make sure to tap it on there. I will be using the Jack's color again, which is the deep auburn, and just outlining my under my lashes. And just make sure to connect that color with the top eyeshadow. That should be good. Alright, I'm gonna be doing my other eye right after this, so I will be right back. So this is the final look. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.